Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Unity Interface Training course. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the game view, the place where you see your game exactly the way the player will experience it. Unlike the scene view, where you build and edit your world, the game view is the final preview of your game. Everything you see here is rendered through the main camera or whichever camera is currently active in the scene. When you press the play button at the top of the Unity editor, the game view becomes active and starts running your game in real time. This is where you can test gameplay, animations, UI, physics, and interactions exactly as they will behave in the final build. At the top of the game view, you'll find several useful options. Resolution drop-down. This allows you to test your game in different screen sizes and aspect ratios, such as 16:9, 4:3, 21:9, or custom resolutions. This is especially important for mobile development. Scale slider. This lets you zoom in or out of the game view without changing the actual resolution of your game. It helps you see more of the preview when working on smaller screens. Play, pause, and step buttons. Play starts the game. Pause freezes the game. Step advances the game one frame at a time. These tools are extremely useful for debugging. Stats button. Clicking on it shows performance information such as FPS, draw calls, memory usage, and more. Gizmos toggle. This option allows you to turn on or off visual debugging elements like camera frustums, light icons, and script gizmos during gameplay. It's important to remember that any changes you make while the game is running are temporary. As soon as you exit play mode, Unity will revert everything back to its original state. This is a common mistake beginners make, so always make changes outside of play mode unless you're just testing. The game view is your main tool for previewing and testing your game, making sure everything looks right, feels right, and works the way you want before building the final version. And that's the game view.